Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Windows Update error message 0x8024A003, where the old version of Automatic Updates client was disabled. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, or go back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, I want you guys to type in SFC followed by a space /scannow. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so you can see Windows Resource Protection did find corrupt files and successfully repair them. I will have a second command in the description of the video as well. I want you guys to copy it and go to the top bar of the command prompt here, right click on it, select edit and paste it in, hit enter and give us a couple moments to run as well. Okay, so once that has concluded, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point, if you go ahead and proceed to check for Windows updates, your issue should no longer be present. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.